Express one more time. 24 hours a day. All over here in Thani, or all over Thailand basically. And then you go inside the place, you can wash and dry your clothes. 27 kilo washing machines and 27 kilo machines for drying clothes. There's Pawn, I've done all the work, she's kid on, she's working, but it's really me done the work. Kid on, you do the work, eh? And I do all the work. I've got to do the laundry now, the ironing, and so this one here is 70 baht for 20 kilo and 14 kilo 50 baht. You can use your telephone to pay for it. Then over here, I'll show you the machine. I see that. 27 kilo 110, 9 kilo 50 baht. So it's a good place. Only thing wrong is they've not got coffee machines, that's the only thing. They've got spare, every one I go to has got a spare place for a coffee machine there, and they didn't use it. So I don't understand them. But maybe Wash Express will see the video and maybe we'll add we want a coffee machine. Okay, no coffee machine, Pawn. No good, eh? Coffee machine. Cake machine. Chocolate cake. Yeah. Aye, Pawn at Wash Express.